Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family members safe at home. Yes or no? So, in previous classes already I have discussed the question answer and this chapter already finished. Your duty you have to write the question answer and read again. Yes or no? So, in this chapter, if you have doubt, you can put comment in that comment box. I will answer your question, and if you like this video, you have to like and subscribe the channel. Yes or no? Then today I am going to discuss your next chapter. It is called chapter class what? Class 4. Yes or no? Chapter 2. Yes or no? Chapter 2. So it is chapter 2 what? Amazing adaptation. Okay? What? Amazing adaptation. So in your mind now, so one question is come out now. Yes or no? Tell me which question is come out. So amazing adaptation. Okay? Amazing you now. Okay? Amazing means थोड़ा आश्चर्य हो जाएगा. Okay? So adaptation means what? This question is coming in your mind. What is adaptation? Yes or no? So already you now. Okay? So already you now you have to remember this. Okay? So always you are adapting. Okay? Everywhere you are using this adaptation, but you really don't know what is adaptation. Okay? So in this chapter I will discuss about the more about the adaptation, then only clear your concept. Okay? So मजा आ रहा है ना? So then come to what is adaptation. Okay? So tell me what is adaptation. So write down the change or modification. Okay, the change or modification of the plant or animal to adjust or survive in their surrounding. Okay, is called adaptation. Okay, so the change or modification, the change or modification of the plant and animal to survive. Okay, survive means adjust. Okay, survive. Okay, to their surrounding. Okay, surrounding is called adaptation. Okay, so simply you can say, so the change or modification to survive in another climate, so it is called adaptation. Yes or no? So adaptation is over. So the change or modification of the plant and animal. Yes or no? So suppose I am Vishwanath Malli, your science teacher. Okay, I am from Odisha, but I am staying in Karnataka because my duty is here. Okay, yes or no? So that's why I am staying here. I am adapting here. Adapting means change my mood, change my character, change my what modification, or all the things I am modify. Yes, but before I was eating. Okay, I was eating rice and vegetables, but now I am eating some your Karnataka food. Yes or no? So means I am adapting here. Yes or no? Okay, so you think here in Odisha always rainy season. Yes or no? And so many rain will come. So many times rain will come, but in Karnataka, so it is very less, and climate is also good. Yes or no? So that's why I am also in this climate. Okay, so in this climate I am adjusting here. Yes or no? Adjustment is called adaptation. Okay, so simply you can remember adjustment is the adaptation. Okay, suppose your mother today give one chapati. Okay, so but you need two chapati, so how can you adjust? You take your friend half from your friend and adjust, or otherwise you can only eat one chapati and drink some water. You can adjust. Yes, no? So Adaptation means adjustment. Okay, adaptation means adjustment to survive. Okay, so suppose I don't have a pencil. Okay, so I can write pen. Okay, so means here I am adjust na. So in adjust to survive, yes or no. So plant and animals also, they are surviving. Okay, so think, all plant are not growing, all plant are not available in same place. All plant are different, they are seen in the different place. So according to their place, they are adapting. Okay, so think about the Ladakh. Okay, so Ladakh is very hot and very high temperature area. In that area plant is growing how, say they require very less water. Yes or no. So you think about the Kashmir, in the their polar area is there. In that area the plant, the leaves are very look like what it is, look like the spine shape. Okay, so spine shape, because when the water fell down on the leaves, it is suddenly fell down on the ground. So means the plant are in that area, they are adjusting or adapting to survive. Think about the Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is desert area. Yes or no. So in that area very high temperature is there, but in that area how, think about how the rat and some insect, rabbit, they are surviving, because when they are very high temperature, they grow, they go through the hole, they are making hole on the underground the ground, they go through the hole, means they are adapting or adjusting in that climate. Yes or no. So this is about the adaptation. Okay, then adaptation come to what is habitat. Yes or no. Yes or no. Habitat. Habitat. So this in your mind is, what is habitat. Yes or no. So you are staying in a home. Yes or no. Your habitat is what, a house. Okay, habitat clear. Okay, I am staying in a where, house. My habitat is a house. Bird is living there nest. So bird's habitat is a nest. Yes or no. So cow is staying in the where, house. Cow habitat is a house. Yes or no. So different animals and plant have a different habitat. Okay, so think about the fish. Okay, fish is staying in the water. So the habitat of the fish is water. Yes or no. So the habitat means the natural home or surrounding. Okay, so the natural home or surrounding is called habitat. So plant. Okay, some plant growing on the ground now. So this habitat is called land. Yes or no. They are growing means land. Land. Yes or no. So write down what is habitat. Okay, write down the natural home or surrounding. Okay, surrounding are called habitat. Yes or no. So the natural home or surrounding. Okay, the natural home or surrounding are called habitat. Yes or no. So think, so many example I told na. Yes or no. I am staying in home, my habitat is home. Cat is or rat. Think about the rat. Rat is staying hole, the habitat is hole. Yes or no. Then think about the fish. Fish is staying in the water, the habitat is water. Yes or no. Bird is staying in the on the leaves. Okay, sorry, nest. Okay, birds lives on the nest, so the habitat is nest. Yes or no. So adaptation and habitat is clear. Yes or no. So adaptation means to adjust. Okay, you already you think about your chapati. Okay, and habitat means always think about your home. We are staying in home, so our habitat is home. Yes or no. So habitat means the natural home or surrounding are called habitat. Yes or no. So why adaptation and habitat is there? Because of the climate and weather. Yes or no. So in our country. Okay, so in India, so you go through the each and every state. Okay, so we have how many state and how many the union territory. Okay, we have a 28 country state and 9 union territory. Yes or no? So in that region, what will happen? So each and every state, okay, the climate, food, okay, so all the things is different. Okay, go through the north area, Ladakh, Kashmir, okay, Jammu and Kashmir. So in that area, the climate is very low, okay, very cold, because they are the north region. So this in that area climate is very cold. Okay, in Ladakh, think about Ladakh, it is in that area the house are two floor. In the below floor, first ground, they are keep their animals, and second floor they are staying, because very high cold is there. Okay, so that's why the habitat and adaptation is there. Okay, suppose you are from Karnataka, but you are going to stay in the Jammu Kashmir. Okay, in that area very low cold temperature is there. How can you adjust in that area? You have to what? You have to in that area. You have to change your modification, food or your daily habit. Then you can adjust in that environment. Yes or no? So then so it is over. Then come to plant. Okay, so how plant in your chapter they discuss only about the plant, not only animal. Okay, so are you following me? Yes or no? Okay, मजा आ रहा है? So discuss about the plant. Okay, so plant what will happen? So the habitat of the plant are two types. One is the terrestrial, another is the aquatic. Because one is the habitat, plant habitat. Okay, one is the terrestrial, another is the aquatic. Okay, so one is the terrestrial, another is the aquatic. Yes or no? Habitat means their natural home or surrounding. So think the all plant are not available in every place. Yes or no? Why? Think about the grapes plant. In Karnataka, grapes plant is there. But you think about Odisha, Rajasthan, okay? So in that area, grapes is not present. Why? Because they are not survive in that climate. The habitat is not found in that place. Soil is not proper soil is not there. Yes or no? So many region is there. Yes or no? So the plant habitat are two types. One is the terrestrial, another is the aquatic. Yes or no? So write down what is terrestrial. The plant that grew on land. Okay, grew on land are called terrestrial plant. Okay, so the plant which grew on the water. Okay, the plant which that grew on water. Okay, so the plant which grew on the water are called aquatic. Okay, so according to their habitat. Okay, so some plant. Okay, so this plant is growing now where it is growing on the land. Yes or no? So it is called terrestrial. Okay, so tell me some plant which are growing on the land. Okay, so the plant that grow on land or dry place, or otherwise you can add dry place. So these plants are called what? These are terrestrial plant. Okay, example tell me. So it is suppose you take coconut, yes or no? Banyan tree, yes or no? Or people tree, yes or no? Sal tree, okay. Flower tree, yes or no? Flower plant, yes or no? So these plant, okay, so these plant okay, they are growing on the land or dry place, okay. So the plant that grew on a land or dry place, okay, are called a terrestrial plant, okay. Then come to the aquatic plant. The plant that grew on the water are called aquatic plant. Tell me some two plants name which are growing on the water. So lotus, your national flower, yes or no? Lotus, yes or no? Then lily, yes or no? So these the so many things is there. Hydrilla, you can hydrilla. So these plant, okay, lotus your national flowers, yes too. So lotus, lily, hydrilla, okay, hydrilla. So these plant they are growing on the water, okay. That's why it is called aquatic plant, yes or no? So then habitat is your next class. I will ask what is habitat and what is adaptation. So the terrestrial plant are different types. Matlab means the terrestrial have different region, okay. So only the it is mountain region is there, polar region is there, desert region is there, yes or no? So now we'll discuss the terrestrial habitat, okay. Terrestrial habitat, okay. So let's write down. Okay, so terrestrial habitat. So terrestrial habitat are so many types. Okay. So terrestrial habitat is so many types. Okay. So it is so many types. Yes or no? First one is polar habitat. Then mountain. Okay. Then mountain. Then plains, desert. Okay. Plains, desert. Then rainforest, okay, rainforest. So the terrestrial have so many habitat, okay. So the terrestrial have so many habitat. One is polar habitat, okay. So polar habitat. So polar means it is a very cold and ice region, okay. Then mountain area. Mountain means hill area, yes or no? Then come to plain area. Plain means you think about your classroom, okay, it is very plain, yes or no? So plain means उसको बोलते हैं क्या, normal area, okay. So desert area, already you know Ladakh, Rajasthan, these are the desert area, okay. Then desert area means there is very low rain, okay, desert area. Then rainforest means where rain is going very high manner. You think about the West Bengal, okay. In that mangrove plant is there. So in that area, what will happen? Maximum time rain is going. So this is called rainforest. In that area, you will get the different type of plant. Yes or no? So मजा आ रहा है ना? So this is about the terrestrial habitat. So next period I will discuss all the terrestrial habitat one by one. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.